Do you ever get the feeling that you're being held captive? And you're paying your own ransom month after month, but they never let you go? Well, you have kidnappers doing this to you right now. I'm talking about cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. While they do provide a valuable service, they force you to pay up to $20 month after month when it only costs them pennies. And they make you feel like you're stuck with them. Don't forget your video host, Vimeo, could easily be grabbing $40 a month out of your pocket. Same with your web hosting company. Even if you're with one of the cheapy hosts like HostGator, you're still probably paying $20 or more month after month, and you're stuck there too. Add those all up and you're paying more than $3,500 per year. $35,000 over 10 years. That's enough for a car. And you probably feel trapped, stuck with them because you don't want to lose websites, files, videos, or sales. Well, here's a dirty little secret. Those companies you're making big monthly payments to are paying pennies for the services they provide. That's right, they're tucking in a hefty profit from you every month. That's the real reason they make it seem like you can't take your business elsewhere. Well, friend, I've got some good news for you. You can stop those money leaks right here, right now. Presenting Orange Suite. We saw what they're doing to you and everyone else and decided to break the chains binding you to their services once and for all. Introducing Orange Suite. Orange Suite has all the important services you need. Reliable web hosting for your websites, solid and secure cloud hosting for your important files and documents, and lightning-fast video hosting and delivery. All in one service with no monthly payments. That's right, there's only a single low payment. You can get our fast action bonus. The first 50 buyers will get a premium agency website loaded right into their Orange Host account. This ready-to-go, done-for-you website will make it a breeze for you to bring Orange Suite's cost-saving services to everyone you know, or even don't know. It'll do all the selling for you, so you can start making profits from day one. But you have to act quickly. This $497 value bonus will disappear if you delay. To show you how confident we are that you'll love Orange Suite, we're not going to give you a 365-day money-back guarantee. Try every bit of Orange Suite, put all 3 services to the test. We're confident that once you start using Orange Suite, and especially profiting from Orange Suite, you'll want to stay forever. Scroll down to get all the details and hit the button to grab your Orange Suite access today. And stop feathering the nests of those big birds with your hard-earned cash.